So, for trigonometric function, i-discuss ko naman the derivative of trigonometric function. These are essential dahil sa trigonometric functions appear in physics, engineering, waves, circular, motion, and many real-world applications. Ito yung mga basic trigonometric functions. d over dx sin x is equals to cosine x. d over dx, number 2, d over dx cosine x is equals to negative sin x. For number 3, d over dx tan x equals to sec squared x. For number 4, d over dx cotangent x equals to negative cosecant squared x. For number 5, d over dx secant x equals to sec x tan x. For number 6 is d over dx cosecant x is equals to negative cosecant x cotangent x. And yan yung ating basic trigonometric functions. This formula should be memorized because they are frequently used in combination with the chain rule, product rule, and quotient rule. Atin na natin example. Y is equals to sine 4x. Since there is an inner function 4x, we apply the chain rule. So, y prime cosecant 4x multiplied by 4. Another example is y is equals to x cosecant x. This requires the product rule. Product rule naman dito is chain rule. So, for product rule, y equals to 1 multiplied by cosecant x plus x minus sin x. So, trigonometric derivatives appears in problem solving, oscillation, acceleration, electrical signals, and geometry. They are very important because many natural phenomena behave periodically. And yes, this is trigonometric functions. For trigonometric function problem 1, we have y is equals to cos 3x. So, solve natin siya to y prime and negative 3 sin 3x, and that's for problem 1. For problem 2 is y is equals to x sin x. Solve natin siya, y prime is equals to sin x plus x cosecant x. For problem 3, y is equals to tan x plus secant x. So, susolve natin siya, y prime is equals to secant squared x plus secant x tan x. And that's for the problem of trigonometric functions.